In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an overlaying grass effect in PS Touch. So let's get started. Okay, let's get the tutorial started and going. So I'm going to import our grass image. Click on Photo Library. This is the image I'll be using, and I'll let it available for you guys down in the description. So I'll click on Add. And right here, you can type in whatever text you want to, or you can just import a text image, whichever one you prefer, or you can even use a logo or anything like that. So I'll just import a text image I saved from Pixel. Click on Add. Let me make it bigger. It's too big. Okay, click on Done. So now I want to do it as if the text is inside, like some grass should be covering it. So the first step to take is to click down and duplicate the layer. Click on Done, then put it above it like that. After that, you can click on Select Pixels. You can click on Stylize and then click on Threshold. So just do it to the point that you started seeing some of the leaves, I think right here. Go over to smoothness, you can increase it a bit like so. Let's go back to threshold. Okay, you can still play with this furthermore. Now you can come to this fourth color, which is the black, and reduce the opacity to 0%. Done. Then you click OK. Now what you want to do is this. Click on this icon, then click Select Pieces. Okay, now you can get rid of this, or you can simply turn it off. Then click on your text layer or your logo or pretty much anything you have in there. Then now you click right here and then you click clear. And yeah, that is it. So one more thing to do, you can add something like shadows to it. So you can just add an empty layer above it. Oh, okay. What we have to do if we want to add shadows, it has already passed. So let us undo it. Undo. Okay. So if you want to add shadows to it, you will create, instead of to go and click clear, instead of clear, we'll undo that. We'll come over here, click layer from selection first. Okay, you can turn this one off. Then you come back here and you click clear. Like so. So now we can deselect it. Right. So as you can see, this one will be the one for the shadows. So you can click right here and set it to multiply. So it is on, but you won't notice it because it's in multiply. So you come over here to effects and basic, then you see drop shadows. This one, you can reduce the blur. Okay, then you click done. So as you can see, it looks even more cooler. So this is how you make this kind of effect. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.